welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Alien Space Babe, which is just a recreation of one of the Valfre, or Valfre, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. One of their little characters. Obviously I have the little signature star, Freckles. Sorry this video is a little bit later in the day. I woke up not feeling well at all again. It was like I went back to square one. And I've been sick all day, laying on the couch. I fell asleep at the time I was supposed to film earlier. Anyways, I won't bore you guys with the details of all of that. Here I am, here's the video. I really like the way that this one turned out. This costume is from Dolls Kill. It's a little jumpsuit. It kind of looks like I just got out of prison, but also like I just landed on the moon, because it says in NASA here, this says, oh, it says space out, I get it. And then this side has a little alien. There's some more stuff and it goes all the way down. It's like a whole jumpsuit situation. I will link it down below in case you're interested. I do want to let you guys know I just updated my merch store, so all the inventory is up to date. Things are back in stock, including some old favorites, so check that out if you are interested. I always link it down below. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to comment on today's Instagram photo to enter the giveaway, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Starting off, I'm going to go ahead and prime using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Then I'm going to be taking my Makeup Forever Flash Palette, which, she's looking rough. And I'm going to be mixing a green paint. Whoopsies, I'm just a mess right now. Anyways, I took some of the white as a base, then I took some of the light blue, some green and yellow, and I'm just going to mix that together to get that perfect alien green shade. I don't know why I decided to mix this with my tweezers, because I can't find my spatula. Alright, so I'm just going to be buffing this into my skin with my beauty blender. I'm also going to take this down my neck. Next I'm going to go ahead and take some of the pink, red, and the coral shade, and I'm going to mix that up really quick to put a little bit under my eyes. So I don't want to get this too close to my eye yet, because I am going to be doing some shadow. So I'm just taking my finger to kind of tap this and blend. Next I'm going to go ahead and powder my whole face. I'm just using my Laura Mercier setting powder. And I like to take a lot of powder and just press it in. I find that this works the best with the grease paint. I'm going to leave my brows for now and see what I want to do with them as this look goes on. To prime my lids, I know this is probably going to stain, but I'm going to take that same pink that I just mixed up for my cheeks. You don't have to do this. You could totally just use a normal primer and a pink shadow, but I feel like this is going to work well for what I'm going for. Just beware, if you use this, it is going to stain your lids, which will be really fun for me tomorrow when I'm trying to film a different look. I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop Ooh La La palette. I haven't used this yet, I just opened it and it looks kind of weird. I hope it works out. These shadows are a lot more sparkly than I thought they were going to be. I'm going to use this one called Sandra. It's the only one that's not sparkly. Sorry, I am blind. This is called Sandbar, not Sandra. So I'm going to take that right over the shade I laid down, and I'm just using a fluffy brush and kind of packing it on, and I'm going to blend it up. I'm also going to take the shade Big Sugar on my finger and kind of pop it onto the inner corner. It's a little bit lighter. I said inner corner, but I meant like the inner portion of the eye. Next I'm going to go into the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, and I'm going to be taking the shade Unicorn, which is the pink. Now this one is chunky and will fly everywhere. So I'm just going to tap this kind of over everything. I feel like this look needs eyebrows. I know the girls don't have eyebrows, but I feel like it's a little bit more wearable. So I'm going to go ahead and fill them in really quick. And I'm just using my usual brown shade. Okay, I'm going to try and shape them a bit differently. Okay, brows are done. Really quickly, I'm going to go ahead and add a really big wing, and I'll be right back. Alright, really big wing, check. I'm also going to be taking this wing in, just like that, and then I'm going to fill that in. Next, I'm going to experiment something. I'm going to try lining part of my eye with this color Jilted, and then I'm going to go over it with a light white sparkly one, which is called Yayo, and see what it looks like. I wanted like a really light pink. That kind of worked. We're going to try it. It's kind of just a really sparkly, shimmery white, but whatever. Underneath the lower lash line, I'm going to take that same dark pink shade, or hot pink, and I'm going to go ahead and just go underneath that lower lash line. Once I get to this part right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw kind of a line. I want that inner corner to be really open. Taking a, I don't even know what kind of brush this is, I guess a smudge brush, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of go underneath this shade with the tiniest amount of product, because I want it to blend, sorry my camera went out of focus, I want it to blend down into this pink on my cheek here. I'm kind of going to go around the edge of my eyeshadow on the top and bottom and kind of make sure it's all connected in a shape that is a little bit more flattering. For more blush, I'm going to be taking California, and I'm just going to tap this on at first to see what we get. Kind of want this to blend down my cheeks a little bit more. I'm also going to take that around the eyeshadow because I feel like it has a pretty color. I'm going to try and fix up this side by adding some of that cream paint. It kind of worked. Okay, so on this inner corner right here, I want to add some glitter. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Glam Rock, and then I'm going to be taking my Violet Voss Lily Glitter. It's kind of like pink and green, and I'm going to pop that on. So I'm just going to take my glitter liner first. And then dip into some glitter and then just pack it over top. I used to do my makeup like this all the time. If you've been here since like 2015, then you know. Now that the glitter's on, I'm going to go ahead and clean up these lines because I don't really want glitter on them. Alright, so moving around a little bit, I'm going to go back into the Dream Glow Kit and take that same shade Unicorn, which is the pink here in the middle, and I'm carefully going to tap this on my cheeks. So pretty. I was wondering if I should contour. Should I? Do I want to? Do I want to? No. Am I going to? Yeah. I'm going to dip into the Morphe 35M, and I'm just going to use probably this dark green or this one. And I'm going to contour my nose a little bit first. Just the tiniest bit. Then I'll go to my cheekbones. which I'm not going to do too much because I want the pink to be the main focus here. Alright, good enough for me. Going back into the Dream Glow Kit, I'm pretty much going to take that pink shade all over. It's a little bit harder to see up here. In my nose. I'm also going to take this shade under my brow. And I know my eyebrow hairs are crazy, so it's not even going to look that good, but I don't want to pluck them because I kind of like my little editorial brow I have going on. So we'll just have to ignore those hairs for this look. I'm also going to pop this on the inner corner a little bit where I can. Okay, so really quick, I'm pretty much done with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some top lashes, bottom lashes, and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. On the top, I used Cosmic Kitten from Rouge and Rogue, and the bottom is Miss Fury Lashes Chopped Up. Next up, I'm going to be adding the signature Little Star Freckles, and for that I'm just going to be using this confetti that I bought at Party City. You could just draw these on, but I don't have the patience right now. They have 3 and then 1 on the nose, which I don't know if these are small enough to go right on my nose. We'll see. But I'm just going to use some lash glue where I want each one to stick. And then I'm just going to take these and pop it on. This one doesn't exactly fit, so it's just going to stick off of my nose a little bit. But that's fine. No one has to know. Last up is lipstick, and I'm going to be using Brat from, I guess I should open this, from Urban Decay. This is one of my favorite, probably my favorite pink, like light pink lipstick of all time. I want to go over this with the tiniest bit of that highlight. Do I want to make this glossy? Or should I leave it? I feel like it wants to be glossy. I feel it. Just adding a little bit more highlight. I'm just going to take my Tatcha lip mask, but you can take any gloss. And I'm just going to dab over top. So that's pretty much for this Alien Space Babe makeup. I'm going to go ahead and throw on my wig, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter if you're not following me there. Don't forget to comment on the Instagram photo that matches this look to enter today's makeup giveaway. This outfit I'm wearing is from Dolls Kill, by the way. It has like a little NASA sticker and like an alien over here. The girls in the picture are wearing pink little suits. I couldn't find a little pink one in time, so this had to do. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. I'm sorry this video was a little bit later than usual. I'm still trying to recover. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!